Hello students, today I will teach you fractions and the subtopic is division of fraction. To understand division of fractions, you should know what reciprocal of a fraction means. Here we will know about reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. Study the following example. Solve 1 whole 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon 3. So first we convert this mixed number 1 whole 1 upon 2 in a improper fraction. So we get 3 upon 2 and we write 2 upon 3 as it is here. So when we solve these both fraction, we get 3 divide by 3 one time and 2 also cut by 2 one time. So we get 1 upon 1 which is equal to 1. The numbers 3 upon 2 and 2 upon 3 are alike in the sense that they consist of the same numerals 2 and 3. If you compare their numerators and denominators, you will find that numerator of one the denominator of the other. In the first number 3 is numerator here and in the second number 3 is denominator. And in first number 2 is denominator and in second number 2 is numerator. The product of such numbers is always 1 and they are called reciprocals. Reciprocals are number pairs that have the product 1. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. 2 divided by 1 upon 5 is the same as finding out how many 1/5 are there in 2 wholes. When we take a reciprocal of 1 upon 5, so the numerator 1 change into denominator and denominator 5 change into numerator and divide symbol change into multiplication. 2 divided by 1 upon 5 equal to 2 into 5. When we take a reciprocal of 1 upon 5, we get 5 upon 1 because numerator 1 change into denominator and denominator 5 change into numerator. So we get 2 5s are 10. Another example, find 3 divided by 3 upon 4. So 3 divided by 3 upon 4 is again same as finding out how many 3/4 are there in 3 whole. We take a reciprocal of 3 upon 4. The numerator 3 change into denominator and denominator 4 change into numerator and divide symbol change into multiplication. 3 divided by 3 upon 4 equal to 3 into 4 upon 3 because when we take a reciprocal of 3 upon 4, the numerator 3 change into denominator and denominator 4 change into numerator and 3 divided by 3 one time. So 1/4 are 4. We rule to divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fractions. So if we divide one fraction to the another fraction, so we follow the following rule and the following steps. The following steps followed are: step 1, write the mixed fraction as an improper fraction or a whole number as a fraction, the case may be. Step 2, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Step 3, write the product in its simplest form. Step 4, convert into a mixed fraction if the product is an improper fraction. The following steps help us in division of fractions. Question is 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. Leave the first fraction alone, means we write 1 upon 3 as it is and divide symbol change into multiplication. Flip the second fraction, means 2 upon 5 change into 5 upon 2 here, and multiply the numerators. 1 multiply by 5 and multiply the denominators 3 into 2. So we get 1 5 is a 5 and 3 2 is a 6. 4 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 6. Leave the first and change the sign and flip the second. 4 upon 5 multiply by 6 upon 2, because here 2 is numerator here, so 2 change into denominator and 6 is denominator here, so 6 change into numerator. So when we multiply these both fraction, 4 6 are 24 and 5 2 are 10. So in mixed fraction form we get 2 whole 4 upon 10, and 4 upon 10 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So we get 2 whole 2 upon 5. Example A, 5 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 15. So 5 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 15. So first we take a reciprocal of the second fraction, means 4 upon 15 change into 15 upon 4, because the numerator 4 change into denominator and the denominator change into numerator here, and 5 upon 12 we write as it is. Here 12 and 15 divide by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So 5 multiply by 5 and 4 multiply by 4. When we multiply 5 into 5 we get 5 5s are 25, and when we multiply 4 into 4 we get 4 4s are 16. And when we write this improper fraction 25 upon 16 in a mixed form, we get 1 whole 9 upon 16. Example B, 1 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 8. In this mixed fraction, we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here 1 whole 1 upon 4 change into 5 upon 4, and 2 whole 1 upon 8 change into 17 upon 8. After that we take a reciprocal of second number 17 upon 8, and 17 is a numerator here and it's changed into denominator, and denominator 8 change into numerator, and 8 divide by 4 2 times. 4 2s are 8. So 5 multiply by 2 and 1 into 17. We get 5 2s are 10 and 17 ones are 17. Example C, 1 upon 10 of a rupee. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. In solution, 1 upon 10 into 1 rupees equal to 1 upon 10 into 100 paise, and 10 and 100 divide by 10 times, and 1 tens are 10. So the answer is 10 paise. I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you.